Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Nothing beats a hearty chicken pasta bake when you need a meal that's both comforting and fuss-free. It's the kind of dish that works for busy weeknights or feeding a crowd, with plenty of room to tweak flavors to your liking. In this video, you'll find everything you need, simple ingredients, easy steps, and tips to make it your own. Whether you're cooking for family or friends, this recipe delivers every time. Essential ingredients for a perfect chicken pasta bake. A great chicken pasta bake starts with the right ingredients. The pasta, chicken, and cheese you choose can make the difference between a dry, bland dish and one that's creamy, flavorful, and satisfying. Let's break down what works best, and why. Choosing the right pasta. Not all pasta shapes hold up well in the oven. You need something sturdy that won't turn to mush under layers of sauce and cheese. Here are the best options. Penne or rigatoni. Their hollow centers trap sauce, keeping each bite juicy. Fusilli or rotini. The twists hold onto cheese and sauce, adding extra flavor. Ziti. A classic for baked dishes, with a shape that balances firmness and sauce absorption. Avoid delicate pasta like angel hair or linguine. They'll overcook and lose texture. The best chicken cuts for the dish. Chicken breast and thigh both work, but they bring different strengths to the dish. Breast. Lean and mild, great if you prefer a neutral base that lets other flavors shine. Just don't overcook it. Dice it small or shredded to keep it tender. Thigh. Juicier and richer, with more fat for flavor. It stays moist even after baking, making it a foolproof choice. For extra flavor, try browning the chicken first. A quick sear adds depth to the final dish. Cheeses that melt perfectly. Cheese is the glue that holds everything together. These melt beautifully and add rich flavor. Mozzarella. The star for stretchy, gooey texture. Cheddar. Sharpness cuts through creaminess. Use it with mozzarella for balance. Parmesan. A salty, nutty kick that crisps up on top. Mix 2 or 3 cheeses for the best results. Mozzarella for meltiness, cheddar for punch, and Parmesan for a golden crust. With these ingredients, your chicken pasta bake will be hearty, flavorful, and comforting every time. Step-by-step cooking instructions. Once you've gathered your ingredients, it's time to bring everything together. Follow these steps to create a chicken pasta bake that's creamy, flavorful, and perfectly baked. Prepping the ingredients. Start by cooking your chicken and pasta separately for the best texture. Cook the chicken. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. Season diced chicken breast or thigh with salt, pepper, and any preferred spices, like garlic powder or paprika. Cook until golden and no longer pink inside, about 6 to 8 minutes. Set aside. Boil the pasta. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and add your pasta. Cook until al dente, about 1 to 2 minutes less than the package instructions. Drain, rinse lightly to stop cooking, and toss with a drizzle of oil to prevent sticking. Prep veggies, if using. Sauté onions, mushrooms, or bell peppers in the same pan as the chicken for added flavor. Cook until softened, about 3 to 5 minutes. Pro tip. Use the pasta water to adjust sauce consistency later. It's starchy and helps bind everything. Layering for maximum flavor. The key to a great pasta bake is layering ingredients so every bite is balanced. Here's the best order. Start with sauce. Spread a thin layer of your marinara or Alfredo sauce at the bottom of the baking dish. This prevents sticking and adds moisture. Add pasta and chicken. Mix half the cooked pasta with half the sauce and chicken, then spread it evenly. Scatter any veggies over the top. Cheese it up. Sprinkle a handful of your shredded mozzarella and cheddar blend over the first layer. Repeat. Add the remaining pasta, sauce, and chicken, then finish with a generous layer of cheese, including Parmesan for a crisp top. Avoid pressing layers down too hard. You want pockets of sauce and cheese to melt into the pasta. Baking to perfection. Bake uncovered at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 20 to 25 minutes, until the cheese is bubbly and the edges turn golden brown. Check for doneness. The sauce should bubble at the sides, and the top should have crispy cheese spots. Rest before serving. Let it sit for 5 minutes after baking. This helps the sauce thicken and makes slicing cleaner. If the top isn't browning enough, broil for the last 2 to 3 minutes, but watch closely to avoid burning. Variations to customize your dish. One of the best things about chicken pasta bake is how easily you can tweak it. Swap ingredients, add new flavors, or adjust textures to make it fit your taste, or whatever's in your fridge. Here are some simple but game-changing twists. That's it for part 1 of the chicken pasta bake. We hope you're excited to make this dish. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll put everything together and show you the final result. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.